Is your T-Mobile REVVL 6 not charging? First, check your charger. The REVVL 6 supports up to 18-watt charging via Quick Charge 4.0. Many issues come from incompatible third-party chargers that don't deliver the correct voltage of 5 volts to 20 volts. Next, inspect the USB-C port. Lint, dust, and corrosion are common causes. Turn off your phone and check for debris. Use compressed air to gently blow out debris from the port. For stubborn dirt, use a soft dry brush or cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol. Be gentle and let it dry completely. If cleaning doesn't work, test the charger with a multimeter. It should read 5-volt idle and up to 20 volts under load. If issues persist, contact T-Mobile for warranty support, especially in humid climates where port replacements may be free. If the charger and port seem fine, software interference could be the problem. Boot your REVVL 6 into safe mode. To do this, power off the phone. Then press and hold the power button until the T-Mobile logo appears. Release the power button and immediately press and hold the volume down button until the phone boots completely. Safe mode disables all third-party apps, allowing you to isolate if an app is causing the charging issue. If the phone charges normally in safe mode, an app is the culprit. Uninstall recently installed or suspicious apps one by one until the charging problem is resolved. Also, check your battery health in Settings. Go to Settings, Battery, Battery Health. This will give you an idea if the battery capacity is degraded. If charging issues persist in safe mode, consider a factory reset as a last resort before seeking professional help. Be sure to back up your data first. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support. Remember, the standard warranty usually covers charging ports for up to 2 years. User forums show that DIY fixes work for 75% of REVVL 6 charging issues, but professional repair might be necessary for hardware failures and internal corrosion. Always prioritize safety. Use certified accessories, avoid forcing cables, and power off your phone before cleaning the port.